So today we're going to be unboxing the G603. I bought this as an upgrade from my G305, and the only reason I got this one instead of the G305 is because it has Bluetooth. I have two computers and one runs off the Wi-Fi, the Lightspeed connector, and the other one runs off of Bluetooth. So this video is just an unboxing. Don't expect any impressions or reviews about it. So let's open it up. I don't expect much. It's just going to be the mouse. I think there might be batteries in it as well. Got some important safety information. A quick start. There's the mouse. We have two batteries. We have a USB extension. So if you're having problems connecting the mouse to the Wi-Fi dongle, which is this, you can use the extension to get a closer connection. So this does have a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in one mouse. It comes with two batteries. To put the batteries in, it's a magnetic top. And you can slot the batteries in. You can just use one, or you can use two. The reason you use one, if you want a lighter mouse, you just slot it back on top and done. Really, really simple. You put the dongle into the computer and it connects automatically. There is a button on the bottom. You press it once to turn the Bluetooth on and it will connect automatically to the paired Bluetooth device. And you press it again to use the Wi-Fi. You have an off, low and high. So off is basically the mouse is off. Low is low power, so there's a bit more latency, but it lasts a lot longer, up to around 18 months, they say. And if you use on high, you get 1 millisecond latency. And then you have about 500 hours of battery, which is still a very long time. Oh, there's some more stuff in the box now. Oh, and of course, the sticker. And a thank you letter. Brilliant. Also, if you want to see it with the keyboard that it's supposed to go with, which is the G613. So these are the set. They're basically full-on wireless keyboard and mouse, and they last around 18 months. I've had this for nearly a year and a half, and I have not changed the batteries once. It's still got the same batteries it came with. And I'm sure it's around 70 to 80%, which is phenomenal. It's mostly in the low position, but it's very easy to switch on and off. It's by flicking that. The same as this, you flick it up and down. You've also got a button on the top, which you can change your DPI with. You've got two buttons on the side, scroller, and that's it. And the two click-ins in the front, left and right click. Underneath, you have the high, off, low buttons and the Bluetooth button. So yeah, I think it's a great looking little set. If you're not bothered about LED lights, which is the main problem with wireless keyboards and mouse, that drains the battery, then I would suggest going for this. Long battery life, looks nice, works well. Also, I've noticed that it feels a lot better in my hands, the G603, compared to the G305. The G305 was a lot smaller mouse. This is a bit bigger, which I do prefer. It is a bit heavier, but I think that's because it's using two batteries instead of one, like the G305. But yeah, that's about it. There's not much to say. It's only a mouse unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. And also, thanks for watching.